Let me make it full screen, and now click again. They are blank. Okay, installation source is detected. Installation destination, I need to select the disk. So click and select again and click on done. Alright, then we have software selection. So let's select the server with GUI, Windows, debugging tools, file and storage server, FTP server, guest agent. InfiniBand I don't need, so I'm not selecting it. Go down, select mail server, network file system client, network services, DHCP and other services, NIS server, performance tools, a remote desktop client to access remote machines, remote management for Linux, okay, then virtualization client, virtualization hypervisor I'm not going to select, virtualization tool I'm not going to select, basic server, web server, yes, legacy Unix compatibility libraries. Then we have container management, of course, that is most important new features. .NET is new feature added to CentOS 8. It was not there. Core development. That means you can develop using .NET platform on Linux 8. Now that's very interesting feature. Graphical administrative tools, headless management. I'm selecting all this. RPM development tools, yes. Scientific support, security, smart card I'm not reading, system tools. So these are the then we go to the server. Let's see if we have anything missed from the server. By default, it might have taken all these things, but just in case it missed something, GNOME of course I need, and it was not there. Hardware monitoring utilities, yes. Minimum install, of course, already is there. Workstation, GNOME applications I want. Backup clients I want. Internet application, email, chat, and conferencing software. Office suite I'm selecting because I need that. So the packages you can go pick and choose the custom operating system. If there's anything missing, you can select from here. A standard installation of CentOS, right? And virtualization host. I'm not going to select this. So done. I've selected the software. Now all the software selection done. Installation destination you can take a look at once more. This is the disk where we are installing, right? And you can take a look at the storage configuration custom, or custom means it will show you. Click on custom, click on done, it will take you to the installation or disk configuration utility where you can create or you can add the partitions. Just for the purpose of understanding, you can click on this and it will create automatically root, boot and swap. 3 partitions it is creating, right? So /boot is 1 GB, root partition is 24 GB, swap partition is 2.8 GB, right? So by default it has created all these partitions. If you want to change any of them, you can modify them, you can change the size, and you can add your own partition by clicking here. So this gives you a very good idea that if you want to create your own partition scheme here, you can do that with using this interface. So this is advanced installation step. Accept the changes, and now all set, begin installation. So obviously when the installer start, you click on root password. You need to change the password of root, or sorry, set the password of root. I'm keeping simple password. If it is weak password, you have to click on done twice. And user creation, I'm selecting one user. Let's say my name is Sangwan. I'm selecting Sangwan user. Make it administrator. Keep the password simple. And if it is weak password, no issues. You click on done button twice and it will accept the password. Now installation will take some time, so take a break, have a coffee, and then we'll come back. So for me, I am just pausing this video. Once the installation is complete, I'll show you the reboot screen will come, or reboot option will come. Okay. So here you can see the installation is complete. Now we can reboot the machine. Once the installation take nearly 35 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. So now we can remove this media and then start the machine again. So go to this optical drive, uncheck it, and force unmount and reboot the machine or reset the machine. And now start. So This is our first start of CentOS 8. What we will do is, after first boot steps, and then of course we need to install guest additions, some additional software updates on this, so that we are ready to work. So that may take a couple of minutes, and to set up the things 100% correct. Okay, login root, password read it. But I installed GNOME desktop. I don't know why it is not started, but we will see that. Alright, and we'll see that it is installed. Okay, so yum update is first thing. Yum update, so that we get latest updates. And if it is not able to work, that's okay, because by default the network card may be down. Let us see. Yeah, nothing to do. Everything is fine. Great. So we are all set. Yum group list, so that we can install yum group list. So let's see. Now yum command, if it is working, yum group list or DNF group list. Because DNF is a new installer. DNF group list. So you see it is not synchronizing. Why? Because I don't know if I'm able to ping Google or not. Ping google.com. I'm saying verifying the internet is working. So internet is not working. Why? Let me see. IP space A, and I can see that interface is down. So I need to make it up. If up ENP0S3, and now we can ping. And now let's see if yes, we are able to ping Google, and then now we can see yum group list. It will update the repository and do that. Alright, now what am I going to do is, after this I'm going to update that. So D and F list. Now basically what happens is, it was not updated, and net was not fast, so I just started fix my internet speed and everything. Now I'm ready. So we have character user interface version. In order to install the GUI, we need to install DNF group, install workstation. Oh, there's a typo. Workstation. This will install all the packages required for the GUI, right? Base, X, fonts, GNOME, everything. So that is mandatory in order to get the GUI. So around 600 packages will be installed. So I have to wait. So you also wait, please, till you have internet up and ready and ping command is working. Right? You have to start your network by using if up ENP0S3. ENP0S3. If you notice that, right? After that you install the group workstation. DNF group install workstation. Okay, it took nearly half an hour to install these packages, and it's very fine now. Download the packages actually. So around 35 minutes it took. Now it has downloaded all the packages, 750 MB, and now it is installing. Installation also take few minutes. It will display this key. You have to accept the key and verify the transaction. Now it will start the installation. Okay. Now it will take another 15-20 minutes. Okay, installation complete. Now what we'll do is we'll check the Unix name, uname, so that we can see the version. So -a will show me all. So we are running on shell 4.18, kernel version 4.18. Oh wow, that's great. So we have latest kernel version. That's fantastic. And we have this centos 8. Now systemctl get default will tell me what is the default target. It's multi-user target. And let me go back to a file cd/etc/sysconfig. Okay, network scripts. Under this directory we need to modify these two files, vi ifcfg env0s3, and I need to make it on boot is equal to yes, so that the internet starts or network is connected when the system reboots. Same way I'll update this 8 also and I'll make it on boot yes, so that this also is started when my machine boots up. And now I'll get set the default target, set default graphical.target dot target. Now once I set it, I'll reboot and my machine will start the GUI. So I have installed the group workstation, which will give me the complete GUI. I have installed the group and I have enabled my internet so that it started the runtime, and all is set now. The machine should start in the GUI. After my first boot of character user interface, I did few things. If you noticed, one was my internet was down, my network card was down, so I enabled that using in if up env0s3. After that I checked the group list. After that I installed the group workstation, which took nearly 45 minutes, and after the group lit I set my network card to be available after the reboot. So for that I edited the two files, and then I changed the target to boot in the GUI, that is systemctl set default graphical.target, and this is our first graphical interface of CentOS 8. So this is first boot in the GUI of the CentOS 8 machine. After the login, I have to do one more thing, and the one more major step is left, that is the resizing of the screen so that it adjusts to the full screen, because I need to install the guest editions of my CentOS 8 from my Oracle website. And for that, what I will be needing is I need to log into the root first. I need to log into root Red Hat. I'm logged into root. After I logged into the root, I'll install kernel upgrade, kernel development, kernel head, that is kernel headers, and GCC if it is not installed, and make. So these few packages are required before I build my kernel again with the additional tools. So wow, what a graphics. This is the new graphics of this. Fantastic. Great. So here we are. This is the terminal. Let me start the terminal. So yum install GCC. If it is not installed, yum install GCC, make kernel -devel and kernel -header, right? Kernel header and kernel developer modules, so that I'm able to insert my guest edition DVD and it install my GCC and the kernel headers. Of course, this is first boot screen, so I have to just quickly bypass it. And yes, there was some package was missing, so it is installing that. So yes, kernel development, kernel headers was missing. I have installed make, GCC and other packages were installed. And after this is installed, I'll simply insert my DVD, guest edition DVD. It will build the kernel. I'll be able to see my screen in full screen mode. Right now you see it is appearing as a window on the system. The moment it is installed, I'm going to insert my guest edition DVD. All is going good. In next session, what we will see, we'll look at the features and we'll go through a demonstration of the features of CentOS 8. In this session, we are restricting ourselves to the installation part of the CentOS 8. It's fine, now it is done.